Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font size in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now change this text box text font size. Firstly click on this text box and select. Now select this, click on the three dot option. Here you will find this edit option. Select. Now double click on this text box again and you can select a specific text, dragging your mouse. Now click this three dot option. Here you can change this text font size. Okay. Also change this line font size. See this. Also and press Ctrl to select whole text for a text box. Now you can increase this text font size. I'll make it 12. And see this. In this you can increase or decrease text font size. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.